Good morning to you, Dan. These 5 women, the latest among some 60 who have said Cosby drugged and raped them. The newest plaintiff saying he used his enormous power in a nefarious and horrific way, and that the big companies that profited off of Cosby's wildly popular show of the 80s and 90s are also to blame for these sex assaults.
Bill Cosby again facing a slew of sex assault allegations, accusations that he sexually battered, assaulted, and abused 5 women, some of whom worked on his hit The Cosby Show. 2 were actresses who appeared with Cosby, all just cleared 2 weeks ago to file the group lawsuit because New York State has opened what's known as a 1-year look-back window for victims to make their claims.
I think being heard and believed is such a critical step.
Joshua Hansen with the Safe Center says the new law mirrors the one made available to minors recently and is vital to hold powerful organizations that profit from allowing the assaults accountable.
It's such an ongoing pattern within our society. It's something we saw with the Harvey Weinstein allegations and other allegations.
The 34-page filing claiming plaintiffs were all sexually battered, assaulted, and abused by Bill Cosby as part of the same conduct, occurrence, plan, or scheme that was perpetrated, conducted, organized, and or performed in New York and other states by Bill Cosby and his associates and enablers. Lily Bernard and Eden Turl, Jewel Gittins, Sindra Ladd, and Jennifer Thompson also laying blame on 3 company giants, saying they knew, allowed the behavior, and made money from it, and now should be held accountable. NBC Universal, Kaufman Astoria Studios, and the Carsey-Werner Company, all named for negligence in the assaults, with unspecified damages being sought. Cosby's spokesman responding in part, "This isn't about justice for victims of alleged sexual assault. It's all about money." Mr. Cosby continues to vehemently deny all allegations waged against him and looks forward to defending himself in court.
Now, Cosby was convicted of sex assault in 2018 and sentenced up to 10 years in prison, but then released early after the Pennsylvania Supreme Court overturned that conviction, saying his due process rights were violated. Earlier this year, a Los Angeles jury also finding Cosby liable in a civil case brought by a woman who said he sexually assaulted her as a teen in the 70s. Live in the newsroom, I'm Kirsten Cole, Pix 11 News. To you, Dan and Haley.